Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Muhammad Shuaib. Welcome back. In this tutorial video, we will show you how to manage tag and historize data using the cyclic continue acquisition type in the Siemens WinCC SCADA. If you are the new in the tag management and data historization, don't worry. This is guide will take you through everything step by step. The tag management is a core aspect of the WinCC, especially when it comes to archive process data over the time. Today, we will focus on the cyclic continue acquisition method, which allow you to collect and store data at regular interval. Before we dive into a configuration, let's quickly go over what tag historization in the WinCC. The tag represent a variable like level, temperature, pressure, or system status. When you historize a tag, we store its data over the time in an archive or historian or in the database so that it can be analyzed later. One of the most common way to historize data is by using the cyclic continue acquisition method. This method records data at regular interval regardless of the whether the tag value change or not. It's useful for the continue monitoring of the process variable. So as you can see here in this table, so data is continue with the specific time interval is historizing regardless of the what is data is coming inside the variable. So in this tutorial video, we will learn how we will configure the cyclic continue method. So here you can see, as you can see, if I will stop it. So here you can see, for example, this one. So 43 second data is 41, 44 second data is 1, 45, and like my data is changed after 5 seconds. So, but my SCADA system is historizes data every 1 second. Okay. So in previous tutorial, actually we put the like historization interval is 1 second. So we'll change the historization second one in second to 5 seconds, and we will see the result. So we'll just close it. Open the tag logging. So in previous tutorial, we already configured this level process tag, and here we put the 1 second interval. So I will just change it here 1 to 5. If the factor is 5, so it will historize data after every 1 second. So here you can see we select the cyclic continue method and just select the 5 and close it, and then we will see the result. We'll open the table. So as you can see it here now in the last, you can see data is historizing after every 5 seconds. If I will stop it, so here you can see 59, and then next data is log in the after 5 seconds. But the, in upper previously that we were historizing every 1 second, so data was historizing 1 second. So It's up to you, like your process requirement. If you want to continue monitor data, so you can adjust the cyclic interval and accordingly you can store it. And for the more advanced analysis, you can also export the historized or archive data into CSV also, and the other format for the further review. This allow you to analyze trend, generate reports, and optimize system performance. So from here, you can export this data and you can select here the time interval for which time interval from start and stop date, or how many hours, like 1 day. So you can select your time duration, and accordingly you can filter out the data and you can use it for the later analysis. So in the coming up next video, like we'll use the same method, and we'll find how we can configure it in the specific time interval. Once the data will change, only it will store the data inside the storage server. So Alhamdulillah, we learn in this tutorial video. We learn in this tutorial video how we can configure and how we can change configuration in the WinCC SCADA if we want to historize our data using the cyclic continue acquisition method. So thanks for watching this video.